Welcome, dear students. This is the English department. This is the activity from October the 5th to October 16th. The objective for this lesson is the following: to develop reading comprehension, identifying vocabulary related to food, and to express quantity and using quantifiers. El objetivo es desarrollar comprensión lectora, identificando vocabulario relacionado a la comida y expresar cantidades usando quantifiers. There are a few pretzels. Ese es el nombre de nuestra lección. La primera actividad es lectura. Number 1, read and listen to the post. Topic snapshot. Este es nuestro texto de lectura que ustedes deben trabajar. Luego de eso, pasan a la actividad 2. Number 2, circle A or B according to the topic snapshot. Encierra A or B según lo leído, según el texto. Number 1, Victor is going to stay with a family in A, Arequipa, B, Brasil. Y acá está encerrada en un círculo la alternativa A, que es la correcta, letter A. Luego pasamos a grammar. Quantifiers: a lot of, many, much, a few, a little. Ya, vamos a aprender cuál es la diferencia entre cada uno de estos y cuándo se usan. Number 1, study the grammar. Large quantities and amounts. Ya, para grandes cantidades y montos, ocupamos estos quantifiers. A lot of, many y much. A lot of se usa used with all nouns in affirmative and negative statements and in questions. Ya, se ocupa con todos los sustantivos en oraciones afirmativas y negativas y también en las preguntas. Example: we have a lot of soda and crackers, but we don't have a lot of chips. Many, used with count nouns in affirmative and negative statements and in questions. Many lo usamos con sustantivos contables en oraciones afirmativas y negativas y también en las preguntas. Example: there were many brands of coffee, but there weren't many kinds of tea. Much, used with non-count nouns in negative statements and in questions. Se ocupa con sustantivos no contables en oraciones negativas y en preguntas. Example: we don't have much orange juice for breakfast. Do we have much bread? Small quantities and amounts. ¿Ya? Para las cantidades pequeñas, ocupamos a few and a little. A few, used with count nouns in affirmative statements and in questions. A few lo vamos a utilizar con sustantivos contables en oraciones afirmativas y en preguntas. Example: there are a few apples in the fridge. Are there a few bananas too? A little, used with non-count nouns in affirmative statements and in questions. I need a little sugar for my tea. Do you want a little sugar too? Esos son nuestros quantifiers. Acá vamos a revisar esta parte. Dice a lot of is equal to lots of. ¿Ya? A lot of significa lo mismo. Tú puedes ocupar a lot of, también lots of. There are a lot of apples and a little cheese. Language tip: don't use much in affirmative statements. Use a lot of. No ocupar much en oraciones afirmativas, ocupa usa a lot of. Ocupa a lot of. Number 3, complete the statements with much or many. Ya, solamente completar las oraciones con la palabra much or many. Number 1, some countries have many regional dishes. Ya, ese es el ejemplo. Number 4, complete the statements with a few or a little. Ya, lo mismo que el ejercicio anterior, pero acá ocupamos a few or a little. Number 1, I only need a few eggs for this dish. Number 5, complete the conversations. Circle the correct quantifiers. Completa las conversaciones encerrando en un círculo el correcto quantifier. Number 1. A. What kind of juice is this? It's delicious. B. It has 2 kinds of fruit. There's a little orange juice in it and a lot of mango juice. Esa es la lección para estas semanas. Espero que hayan comprendido. And don't forget to stay at home and wash your hands. See you in class.